You are going to love the 2017 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, active grille shutters, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, tachometer, leather shift knob. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.